Hi gorgeous, here I am with some more scarf styles. So here we are using a long scarf. Now roll both of the sides. Now roll them again around your fingers like this and pull both of the edges through the folds to the upper side to secure the folds. Now set both of the edges and your beautiful look is ready. So in the next one we are using a square scarf. Fold it, wear it, give it 2 folds like this. Now secure the folds with the help of a rubber band. Now open the folds from both of the sides and you will have a beautiful flower. Now set it at the side and your beautiful look is ready. In the next one, wear your scarf and pass its edge through the loop of its side. And now flat the edge and your simplest look is ready. Here again we are passing its one edge through the loop and set the rest of the scarf and you are done. So again we are using a long scarf. Fold its one side and secure the fold with the help of rubber band. Now open the folds and you are having a beautiful flower. Now wrap the other side around your neck and pass it through the folded part like this. Now set the scarf and your beautiful look is ready. In the next one, fold your scarf, wear it and pass its one edge through the folded part. Now tie a simple knot taking both of the sides. Now take its one edge and tuck behind. Now alternate the side and again tuck behind like this and repeat the process. And at the end, tie a simple knot taking both of the edges. Now set both of the edges and you are done with your beautiful look. I hope this was easy to understand. In the next one, cross over at the back of your neck. Now take both of the sides. Split both of the edges of your scarf and cross both of the sides. Pass the one edge under the scarf from down to upper side. Now pass the other edge from upper to down side. And now take both of the edges and tie a simple knot. Now set the edges like this and your beautiful look is ready. In the next one we are using a long scarf. Fold your scarf, wear it, now roll both of the sides like this. Now tie a simple knot taking its one edge. Open the folds of edge and your beautiful look is ready. Open the folds, and here is a new look. So next, again we are using a long scarf. Fold it, tie a simple knot, again tie another knot. Now take the edges of both of the sides, tie a double knot, and wear around your shoulders. Set the scarf. Now take the other two edges, tie a double knot. Now tuck behind, set your scarf, and your beautiful look is ready. In the next, wear your scarf, pass both of the sides through a rubber band like this. Now cross over behind. Now take both of the sides, again pass them through the rubber band. Now set the scarf, and your beautiful look is ready. I hope you are going to like it. In the next one, we are using a square scarf. Give it zigzag folds. Tie a knot. Now wear your scarf and pass the other side through the knot like this. Now set both of the sides, open the folds, set your scarf at the side, and you are ready. I hope you are going to like these all scarf styles. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Love you all.